Hi guys, welcome back to the 23rd video of the series. Today we'll take a look at the splice method. It's an array method provided to us by JavaScript. I'm making these very small bite-sized videos so that there's not a lot of information overload for you, and also you get time to practice. So now let's get started. Open up your JS fiddle window and we'll be in the JavaScript tab, right? So let me define an array called fruits. Apple, dragon fruit, orange. Okay, now this is how the splice function works. So you say the array name and splice, and then you say 2 and 0. I'll tell you what these are, and then we'll say lemon and grapes. So I'll first run this function and then I'll explain to you what 2 and 0 are. Oh, sorry, not output the values. Right, fruits. So what has happened here is it started from the position 2, which is after kiwi, and it says don't remove any values, okay, but add these two values, lemon and grapes. So after the second value, which is kiwi, it adds two values, lemon and grapes, and then there's dragon fruit and orange, right? And 0 means that don't remove any values. So if I say 2 here instead, what happens is that it removes these two values, dragon fruit and orange, and replaces them with lemon and grapes. So again, I'll show you. With 0, you don't replace any values, but you add these two values after the second position, like lemon, grape, and dragon fruit, orange. And if you say 2 here, then you replace these two values, right? And so this is how many values do you want to replace. This is the pointer for that, and this is from which position do you want to start. So that's basically splice. And now I'll show you if we don't add in any of these values. We just say 0 and 1 here. So basically what does it starts from the 0th position and it takes away the first value, apple. It basically removes the first value, and then you just get kiwi, dragon fruit, and orange, right? I hope that makes sense, because there are no values after this, right? Earlier there were two values after this. Those two numbers basically mean the starting position and the number of things to remove or replace, right? So apple is 1, you get kiwi, dragon fruit, and orange. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.